Saluting base is the robotic multi-unity legged equipment, in short, mule. IF Subedar Rajneesh is leading this contingent. High endurance, agile and durable, all-weather ground robots can climb stairs, steep hills, cross hurdles, and can operate in extreme temperatures, roughly from -40 degrees to +55 degrees Celsius, and can carry a payload of 15 kilograms. This multi-utility legged equipment is tele-operable and designed for various applications including perimeter security, asset protection, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear warfare scenario. They have so far inducted 100 such units in various units in our army.
অসাধারণ একটি দৃশ্য এই মাল্টি-ইউনিটি লেগেড ইকুইপমেন্ট মিউল সঞ্জয় অভিবাদন জানাচ্ছে অভিবাদনার্থীর সামনে।
They are presenting a salute and respect to all VVIPs. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.